Bottom line, ChatGPT can provide you with a trading plan that can generate a profit. And what other people got was surprising, especially considering the length of time they've been trading. Plus, I'll show you some additional testing utilizing ChatGPT's method to discover a 70% win rate at the end of the video. So, make sure to watch till the end to know ChatGPT's capabilities in coming up with a trading plan. Perhaps you've missed the news that OpenAI has released the ChatGPT API and the DALL-E API, both of which promise to drastically alter the course of humanity. Thanks to these two resources, people from all over the world may now compose entire essays in a matter of seconds and obtain immediate solutions to even the most difficult of issues. What's more, let's check if ChatGPT can lead us to a successful trading plan. Let's also check out each prompt to see if we can determine the best plan of action. Start out by navigating to the ChatGPT homepage. Next, let's put in a question before the answers start appearing. Let's ask ChatGPT on its take on what kind of trading strategy we need. Clearly, it's artificial intelligence, and AIs don't engage in trade. And then, it goes on to detail its hypothetical trading strategy. This means it needs objectives, a comfort level with risk, and a plan. And that's an important point to remember. Having a solid foundational approach is crucial before worrying about risk management, risk-reward analysis, and other such details. And then, you may feel the rest of the data later. But without knowing the best entry and exit points, you will not be able to progress. That being said, ChatGPT advises that we formulate a plan. After that, it explains that having an edge is the first step in developing a trading strategy. Then, we may take advantage of this advantage using supply and demand indicators, candlesticks, and others. The next question we plan to ask is what the most effective indicators are. What we really want to know is which indicators it considers to be the best and how we can put that knowledge to use in trading. The next information will astound you since we will combine two indicators to gain even greater confirmation in a more robust trading strategy. Unfortunately, the win percentage of even the best risk-to-reward indicators is just about 50 to 40%, and you also need more than just one indicator to be a successful trader. The top 5 indicators have now been identified: candlestick patterns, RSI, MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands are useful technical analysis tools. In order to learn how to trade using one of these indicators, we're going to pick one at random and ask it. Let's use RSI. The term Relative Strength Index refers to one of the most popular types of indicators. Overbought is indicated by a value of 70. At that point, the market can go no farther up. When the reading falls below 30, the market is said to be oversold and unlikely to decline further. Furthermore, ChatGPT is aware that investors search for selling chances at 70 and buying possibilities at 30. That means that merely using the RSI gives us a complete trading strategy. This isn't like using Google, clicking on a few advertisements, visiting a random guy's site, and then being bombarded with additional advertising and pop-ups. This is a simple and fast process with no unnecessary elements. This is the point when all of the pieces of the trading puzzle come together. So, let's ask ChatGPT about using RSI and the moving average in a trading strategy. The AI came to form an idea many believe is worth testing and analyzing to see if we can earn money in the markets. According to ChatGPT, now is the time to watch for the buy signal. So, when we add these two pieces together, we have a double confirmation, and our confirmation level would thus be either 70% or 30%. Above 70 is short, and below 70 is a buy. So, now we know the RSI's buy and sell indicators. What we're looking for right now is a moving average, looking for an uptrend or buy signal higher than the moving average. If the price is below the moving average, there is a downward trend or a sell indicator. Now, we want to combine being above the moving average with an RSI below 30. Moreover, combining two buy signals should give us a terrific trading technique. Lastly, we'd want to simply ask the AI as to the trader's risk to reward ratio. Now that you have my buy signal, we need to decide how much we are willing to risk in order to make a profit. More is preferable, but you can see clearly right here at least 1 to 1 with odds of 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. It's easy to see which party benefits more from the exchange. 1 to 1 mappings, however, are perfectly okay. Now, before we continue, I'd like to thank you for getting this far. And if you want to know about the back testing results guided by ChatGPT, then make sure to watch this next part. The next step is to visit tradingview.com. So, if we double-click this ChatGPT automation or ChatGPT bot, we see RSI and a moving average. What we have now is the best possible outcome. If you look at it from many perspectives, you'll see that they are the best results, an optimal level of risk for the maximum possible gain. Here is where all the buy parameters, such as the SMA length and the direction, are available. Therefore, it's important to know which moving average to employ. So, let's try it out right now by pressing the button. Just by using the strategy tester, we can observe that it has 70% success rate and a 2.2 profit factor. And as we explore the chart, we'll see that everything is aligned properly and that the coding is right. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, that we have before us now indicates a buy signal. So let's take a look at it. Also, RSI may be found over here. Therefore, the optimal combination is around 45, which is rather far inside RSI. You can see up there that the potential payoffs from our departure strategy are high. That's why we're constantly looking to purchase low and sell high in this market. And this side has identical characteristics. There are only 2 charts, but those 2 transactions have already paid off, making money over the previous 2 months. As we enter, we've already crossed above the moving average, which is a positive sign. And then the RSI drops to the low 50s. With these 2 boxes ticked, we're ready to enter the trade and wait for your profit zone to be hit. Therefore, once we have these information from ChatGPT, TradingView and many other tools may be used to fully automate trading. Most traders believe that they must pay a fee or have that badge of recognition in the markets in order to progress and be prosperous, which is why what they're doing is so aggravating to the general public. But things didn't be that way, and you may learn your RSI trading strategy from ChatGPT. It's probably not going to help you in any other transaction, so don't be a fool and make that deal. To put together a successful trading strategy, all you need is a little bit of background knowledge, and ChatGPT can provide that. Incredibly, in 2022 and 2023, there will be too much knowledge online for anyone to fail at their goals. If you listen to the advice of those who have gone before you, you can shorten the time it takes you to reach the peak. So, what do you think of ChatGPT's ability to help with trading? Let me know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons as well. Now, if you want to know more about ChatGPT and how it started, then make sure to click and watch this video right here and enjoy. And that's the end of this video, guys. See you next time.